What's going on, traders? Julian here doing a quick market recap for you guys. And, again, been talking about the patterns a lot. And recently, a couple of trades that I've been putting on have been dip orientated. So this video is about how I was using the dip buying strategy on some market movers that I was watching. I'm also going to be putting out some information about why dip buying and knowing how to dip buy is so important. So going to start off with the fact that 3 trades were put on today, 2 worked out, 1 stopped out. Just going to get into the nuts and bolts of what worked out. This is RRD. This was a nice gap. You can see that it put in this initial high, pared back a little bit of its gains. Having said that, created a nice floor, offering us some intraday support. You can actually see right through here that price action stopped selling, consolidated sideways, and then we use this candle as our entry right through here at 313, and then we popped. And what we were looking at doing here was trading the breakout of this candle, which is effectively a reversal pattern, and just wanted to get to that high a day, see that high a day status met, and it was, and profits were taken, and the trade was done. So that is RRD. Pretty straightforward dip buying stuff. The other one was JFU. This was also on our radar, and you can see again it was another gap up, a little bit of a short-term blip here. More importantly, it just kind of ran. It saw this high at 228, and we're just marking off levels at this point, just wanting to know where this thing was going to pull back to and stop pulling back to. So you can see actually that it pulled back, rallied, pulled back, rallied. What it did do during that time was actually doing a very, very positive retest. And what I mean is you can see that there's a breakout area right through here, and this is a sign of absolute strength where it found some resistance, popped, pulled back, retested, rallied, pulled back, retested and held, rallied, testing resistance, pulled back, still retesting and holding that important level of support, and then right through here at the apex it finally squeezed. You'll actually see that the MACD triggered this thing. It was a perfect buy signal right at the apex, and then this thing absolutely exploded, and then that was the second trade of the day, and that is JFU. It is so important, guys, to understand how to dip buy and why to dip buy. It is essentially getting great high performance stocks, whether it's short term or long term, or swing trading equities that you want at a discount. If you have any questions about dip buying, please feel free to reach out. This is of the utmost importance. You're going to get a lot of flag programs, but you're also going to get a lot of dip buying programs. And what I mean is, again, there's that rally, there's that pullback. That is what I refer to as a dip buying program. That is your opportunity to get into a trade. You'll actually see that it rallies and pulls back. That is a dip, but it's also a flag. So is this. I'll just draw the flag pull for you just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But that in itself is effectively a flag. And you will see that it's just a different way of entering that flag position. 3 types of flag pennants you're going to get. You're going to get the ascending triangle, just like so. You're going to get the descending triangle, like we've got printed out for you here. And then you're going to get the symmetrical triangle, which is just perfect. And what I mean is you're getting your, symmetrical triangle. Anyways, the big thing you want to make a note of with flags is what is the prevailing trend? Because these pennants are nothing more than price action taking a short break. What they're doing is they're consolidating, hitting an apex, and breaking more often than not in the same direction as the prevailing trend. And those are your 3 types of flags. You got ascending, descending, like we have through here, which is a dip buying opportunity. This is a flat top opportunity, and this is just a regular symmetrical triangle where you would also buy at the apex. Hope some of this has helped. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.